Once a hungry wolf was devouring his prey. In a bid to finish it quickly, he swallowed a big bite of the flesh, but a bone also went in and got stunk in its throat. It hurt him very much. So he decided to go to a crane to get help from him. He said, "Well, dear friend, I am in a great trouble. Please pick out the bone in my throat." The crane was afraid lest the wolf should bite off his head, but the wolf assured him of safety and a big reward besides for the service. At last, the crane agreed to do the needful. It put its long beak into the throat of the wolf and pulled out the bone. The wolf was very happy now. The crane demanded the promised reward for his service. The wolf at once said, "Isn't it a big reward that I am not bitten off your head when it could not have except my teeth?" The crane hopped away disappointedly.